Got you. You're so cute. Oh my god. You stuck? Yum. So good. Grilled cheese sandwiches. First bath, Dilla.
Help me.
Want to see something really gross? There's hella flies, like fruit flies in our house in the kitchen. So I made this trap thing that I learned about in school. And look how many flies are in here. Those are all dead fruit flies. Isn't that disgusting? So gross. Go to the bathroom, puppy. Go. Such a nice day today. I don't know what to do. I have no friends. We're in Palo Alto right now because there's this movie, Peace, Love, and Misunderstanding. Matt Wolf's in it and I want to see it, and Jackie is the best fake girlfriend ever. Actually, he's gonna come with me. And we got lost on the way here, of course, because we get lost all the time.
Something happened.
I put in the wrong address. And now we're lost getting to the movie theater. Awkward.
Walking is too
so nice.
Oh, wait, I can't tell which way to go. Which way is the universe?
I don't know.
This whole thing.
Yeah, this one.
I think they're getting further away.
Ramona's this one, though. The only ones in here. I didn't care. I want to see this movie really badly.
We have half an hour. Just kind of chilling. Like creepy this theater.
I like it.
Yeah, you do.
Because it's really small. It's cute. By the way, that movie was really good. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Now we're downtown again to get food. What else is new? I know, right? My dog is a fucking asshole.
He caught it.
My mom came home and she was screaming, and I didn't know what happened. She woke me up, and Dilla had a bird in his mouth. And then I tried to stop him, and he would not stop, and he would run away with it in his mouth, and it was still alive. I think it's probably dead right now. Is that it, Kiki? I don't know if that's it or if that stopped you. Oh my god. Get him! Kiki, get him! Yeah, she sneezed all over your face. My dog sucks, oh my god. So we took that bird to the Humane Society. And it was still alive, surprisingly. He was shaking around, and oh my god, it was so scary. And last night, me and my mom went to Target to return some stuff, and when we were checking out, Gabe Von Dock walks inside. I hella freaked out. I didn't say anything because I already met him before and took a picture with him, so I didn't want to bother him, and I was freaking out. It was cool though. It's cooler seeing people you're not expecting to see them there than, because at the Killa concert we knew he was going to be there, or we didn't know he was going to be there, but Sammy told me that he was there, so it wasn't that exciting seeing him. But seeing him at Target, I was like, oh my god, it's Gabe. Yeah. You're such an asshole, puppy. Dilla! I got this because David likes Violet Crumble, and this is basically the same thing. So I'll see if it's even good. Whoa. Is it good? It tastes like what a campfire tastes like. Would taste like. Yeah. Looks cool though.
Definitive, you like it or dislike it.
We're in Daly City right now, ceremony. This is the first time I drove to ceremony. And we didn't get that lost, just a little bit. Hello, bunny. I guess I could go like this. Hello. Pet it, Jackie.
I don't know.
Oh, so cute.